In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share family calendars in Google Calendar. A shared family calendar is a fantastic tool to keep everyone in sync, making sure that no appointments are missed and family events are communicated clearly and effectively. Let's get started with creating your family calendar. First, head over to Google Calendar on your computer. It's generally a bit easier to handle this on a browser, although you can also do it via your mobile device. Once you're there, take a look at the left side of your screen and find the section titled Other Calendars. Next to it, you'll notice a small plus button. Go ahead and click on this. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Create New Calendar. This is where the fun begins. It's time to give your family calendar its own unique name. Something simple like Family Calendar will do just fine, but remember, you can also add a description if you'd like to provide more context. This is also the time to make sure you have the correct time zone set up, especially if some family members live in different areas. This ensures everyone sees events at the correct times. Once you've filled in these details, hit Create Calendar to finalize it. Now that your calendar is ready, it's time to share it with family members. Find the calendar you've just created and click on Settings and Sharing. It's the gear icon that appears next to the calendar's name. When you're inside the settings, scroll down until you reach Share with Specific People. This section is crucial because this is where you can add the email addresses of your family members. So go ahead, click Add People, and then enter the necessary details for each person you wish to share your calendar with. Remember that choosing the right permission level is key. You have a few options here, ranging from allowing people just to see when you're busy, all the way up to giving them full control, which includes managing events and sharing settings. Once you've made your choices, just click Send to share the calendar. A quick tip: it's important that all family members have a Google account to access the calendar. If someone doesn't have an account yet, they'll need to create one before they can participate. The final step, now that your family calendar is shared, is to start adding events. To do this, simply click on a date in the calendar or use the Create button. Fill in the details like the event title, time, location, and any descriptions needed. If there are specific family members who should be notified, just add them under Add Guests. They'll receive an email notification about the event. Once everything looks good, hit Save. And voila, you're all set with your family calendar in Google Calendar. Creating a family calendar not only keeps everyone informed, but also helps in planning and organizing family time more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy planning!